there, it is Rikki Waters. I'm back today and I'm going to do a summertime seafood salad. It is August in Florida and as you can see, I'm dressed lightly. It is hot and I don't want to eat something heavy and hot. I just want something to cool me off. Maybe you could help. So I have about 1 pound of peeled, veined, and tailed shrimp, and I like to tail my shrimp. I like to prepare them with the tails off, skins off, all that in my recipe, so that way I don't have to deal with it while I'm enjoying my meal. So we're going to start with that. I'm going to use this cutting board for the shrimp only because I'm not individually chopping those. You see, I'm just going through the cutting board. It's okay if some of them are still in big pieces, but I just want something that can crumble and so I can enjoy a lot of different flavors. Okay, so now I've minced the cooked shrimp. I'm going to add that to my bowl. Now I'm going to get a clean knife because this one I love to chop with it, but I don't want to get cross-contamination. I now have some red bell pepper left from another recipe that I used a couple days ago. So I'm going to try to chop it in small pieces. I usually like big pieces, but in this case, so it mixes well, I'm going to chop it in fine pieces. Mix it. I can smell the shrimp. I'm just going to half the cherry tomatoes. They're already in small pieces. That's why I chose to do the cherry tomatoes, because they're already small. They'll be easier to prep. I mean, sometimes if you cut, you cube tomatoes, you can do that fairly quickly too. So if you wanted to use those, you can, but I'm using the cherry tomatoes today. Now I've striped this cucumber. I am leaving some of the skin on, just because there's lots of nutrients in the skin. I'm going to cube the cucumber. And see, I did one across, one the other direction. Now I'm going to hold it together. So I've got like pie-sized or pie-shaped chunks, I should say. It is hot, I'm sweating, I'm sorry, you're gonna see me sweat. Do the same thing with this one. Cross that way and then cross the opposite direction. Hold it together. Watch your fingers. I know I'm not holding this correct. I'm not a professional. I'm just a woman that likes to cook. Okay, so I've got the entire, say medium to large cucumber. Okay, now we'll see how much we can fit into the bowl, whether I do 1 or 2 avocados. Okay, I broke this piece. That looks like a good sized piece to go in though. And this is how I cube my avocado. I slice it one way and then go across the other way. I'm diabetic and I'm hungry right now, so my hands are shaking. I'm sorry, I apologize. Now I'm going to go across the other way. And I'm going to put Himalaya salt on the avocado before I put it in there because I like that. I like that taste. Okay, and now with the spoon, I'm going to go around the edges of the skin. And they come out in nice cubes. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, we missed a couple peppers there. Okay. I'm going to put everything I don't need in there. And now, I actually think one avocado will do. If I was making this for guests, I would use 2. But since I'm just making it for myself, and I want my avocados to last me a while, I'm just going to use 1. I'm going to use some lemon juice. And of course you can go this way if you want to get the seeds out. Sorry for my shaky hands. The other lemon. I actually have a screen that would make this a lot easier, but I'm too hungry to go digging for it. So, I have a whole lemon in here, a juice of 1 whole lemon. I'm going to use just 2, maybe 1.5 capfuls of the olive oil, extra virgin, for a robust flavor. Splash of paprika, maybe 2. Dark pepper. Salt. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. Now I'm going to take a garlic, 1 clove, smash and dice and mince very finely. Add a little salt to that. Sweat it. Okay. Now while I have the garlic sweating, I'm going to take 1 green onion, just 1. Okay, now that onion's been rinsed, I'm just going to take that top piece off and dice into coins. And of course, keeping the scallion. And I'm now going to add that. Whew, it's getting hot in here. Okay, so I have some partially chopped cilantro. Just going to chop that. As finely as possible, or as coarsely, whatever you prefer. Okay, mix that in. Now I'm going to mix this all. Just a loose mix. Now I'm going to add the salt, pepper, lemon, and olive oil. Mix again. Oh, I wish you could smell this. If you wanted to add ground cumin or chili powder or hot sauce, you definitely can, but I want to eat it just like this. Nothing else needed. Like a bowl of love right there. I'm probably going to get 2 lunches and possibly a dinner out of this. And for the final, I'm having a party in my mouth. And this is guilt-free. I don't feel a bit guilty about eating this. It's so healthy. If you like this, please like, comment, subscribe. Right down below, put your comments. Slap that bell. Stay healthy. Stay sexy. Or is that stay sexy and stay healthy? Either way, that's what you got to do. I love you. Mwah.